Yeah, hi, hello, welcome to the Trailhead Solutions YouTube channel. If you are ready to subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Your one subscription is a lot to me. In this video, we are going to learn about learn the basic of Model API. So the introduction of Model API. The Model API provides Apex classes and REST endpoints that connect our application to large language models from the Salesforce partners like Anthropic, Google, and OpenAPI. So we can also use any Salesforce enabled model that can be configured in the AI models formerly Einstein Studio. There are four model API capabilities available through both REST endpoints and Apex methods. So one is generate text. So the model API can generate text from a single prompt instead of whole chat conversation. This capability is useful for simple non-conversational tasks and testing the capabilities of a model. Generate embeddings. So an embedding is a numerical representation of chunk of content. Sometimes an embedding is called as an embedding vector to measure the semantic similarity between two chunks of content. So we can use mathematical operation on their embedding vectors, such as a cosine similarity, Euclidean distance, or dot product. Embeddings are commonly used for retrieval augmented generation, that is RAG, and semantic search features. Generate chat. So the model API can generate a message of a chat conversation. This allows you to prompt the model with a list of messages rather than being limited to one prompt. Each message in the list represents a part of a conversation history. Submit feedback. So we can provide feedback on any generated text created by the model API. So we can use this data which is stored in data 360. So to review the quality of response and then update our request to our model configuration. So how to use that model APIs? So at the first glance, the model APIs appear similar to Einstein Generative AI Prompt Builder. Connecting an AI model to a Salesforce arc and grounding the model in Salesforce data is easily handled with the prompt template. The model API is designed with flexibility and extensibility in mind, so, and it complements existing Salesforce AI offering for developers. So prompt builder and prompt template connect API are effective for fast prompt managing, and Agentforce provides an interactive chat experience. The model's API provides additional features like embedding and chat generations. Yeah. So maintaining trust. Trust is Salesforce number one value. So it's crucial that users' data stays protected when interacting with LLMs. Salesforce Einstein Generative AI solutions are designed, developed, and delivered based on our 5 principles of trusted generative AI. So one is accuracy, safety, transparency, empowerment, and the sustainability. Salesforce also has agreement with LLM providers such as an OpenAI. So these arguments include commitments for zero data retention, letting you use generative AI without concern for your private data being stored by third-party LLM providers. All models API calls go through the Einstein trust layer. So the Einstein trust layer is a secure AI architecture built into the Salesforce platform. It's a set of agreement, security technology, and data and privacy control used to keep our company safe with you explore generative AI solutions. Generations calls to the models API automatically perform data masking and toxicity scoring. The API passes back a flag indicating whether toxicity was detected along with the score information. This information also stored in data 360. Within data 360 you can view more information on toxicity score information data masking, and feedback data. The entries trust layer isn't a replacement of human judgment. If you plan to share generative AI outputs with customers, it's important to review all responses for accuracy, bias, and the toxicity. The supported models. The API supports the large language models from multiple providers such as Amazon Bedrock, Azure OpenAPI, OpenAI, and Vertex AI from the Google. The models API supports AI models, bringing your own LLM feature. Bring your own LLM model, so you can add a foundation model from supported providers, and we can configure own instance of the model and connect to the model using our own credentials. All the interface is handled by the customer models. The request is still routed through that model API trust layer features. So with this we completed this thing. We have to complete this trial. We have that quiz thing. So let us complete this thing. Which of the following is best use case of the model API? A general purpose AI chatbot grounded in your ARGS data. An automated service agent and for addressing and escalating customer service URLs. An AI dashboard with customer UI and external API integration. Option D is a search service that identifies results that satisfies search query. So here the right option is C. The model API supports embedding model in LLM. So yeah, this statement is true. Let's go and verify our challenge. Yeah, we have successfully completed this Trailhead challenge with the quiz session. Let meet you with another video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.